Another day. We're so blessed every time that we wake up in the morning. As a new leash of life. It's a bit cold today, which is a bit strange because it's supposed to be spring here in Australia, particularly Sydney. But this morning it seems that the cold weather has come back. So it's a bit of a challenge for the cyclist, but it's just a recovery ride for me. I just wanna do some sightseeing, stroll. I think they're gonna build a school here. Wow! They put in a tree. It wasn't there before, so they planted. Chilly day. I think it's 6 degrees, but the sun is up. That's the most important thing. Oh yeah. It's cold. How time flies. It's already in the middle of September. September 15 to be exact. Soon it's gonna be Christmas. What's your plans for today? Make sure it's gonna be productive, huh? And fruitful. Let's not waste each day. I remember my boss likes to remind me that, you know, every time that he wakes up, he's alive. There's something to be happy for. It's a good reminder, isn't it? He's right, we have to be grateful each day. It's a gift, that's why it's called a present, diba? So just have a good time, exercise wisdom, take care of our body. Health is wealth. It's all about balance, physically, mentally, spiritually. So woo! It's cold. Life is complicated. That's why we have to keep it simple. Keep it simple by enjoying things that we have. Enjoy the time. Enjoy each moment. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Alright guys, that's it. Got my fresh air and vitamin D. Sun is up. Enjoy. And wherever you are, guys, remember that you are alive, breathing, and there is hope. So bye bye until next time.